Cymbidium used to be a very luxury item of orchids. We are lucky enough in northern Ohio we are able to get it blooming. And so this is a very beautiful orchid. I'm going to arrange to see where my center attraction. Of course, there will be a couple cymbidiums at the center of my center attractions. I will start out with painting the it's so-called probably they call it throw, and I'm used the magenta, alizarin crimson, I get the throw come out first. Then I'm using another brush. This is a little hood, so-called the little hook on top of the throw. We have to be carefully planning. The Cymbidium, it has a lip, and then 2 petal, and then the rest 3 is so-called sepal. Now I'm going to use a little bit larger brush. And you can see I have loaded my brush with little white, yellow, and little pink on the tip, and going around so-called lips. And I'm going to turn my brush this way. Then it shows the lip. At the meantime, I'm going to use another smaller brush which I use for the throw, and I'm going to put some dots. This is the beautiful part of Cymbidium, and you can even use dark purple. And you have to put it on before it gets completely dry, so it blends in together nicely. And this is the throw part. I mean, what I mean is the lip. All right, now we are going to do the 2 petals, which is the large one. Normally a little bit larger. And same thing on the tip of my brush, a little bit magenta. Same thing, you need to reload your brush. And sometimes they have a little bit curve. All right, now 2 petal and the lip. The rest of the 3 will be sepal, and normally speaking they are thinner. So I'm going to add another strokes on the petal, which I just did, to make it wider. So actually this is a double stroke to make one petal. Alright, now I'm going to use the sand brush and pick up a little bit orange on the tip. And also a little bit green. I go around here and then orange, green, there. Okay, here's a Cymbidium flower, and a lot of time it will have more than one flower. And in order to show this beautiful flower in arrangement, sometimes one flower is a little bit not as interesting. They usually grow have probably like 20 or 30, sometimes even 30 on one long stem. I'm gonna do a profile, the one in profile. So you see the petal and also the sepal. At the meantime, you will see the throat also and also the lip, but it's in the form of profile. Okay, now we are going to use the brown brush to make the couple look very, very luscious, very beautiful leaves. Since they are grown on a stalk, what I mean is a long stem. And black is okay. And I'm going to do this. here is a beautiful Cymbidium. And I could make a little twist over here